If you are using your laptop or PC, then your internet is connected, but once you open any browser or you open any website, that you get like this error that your site cannot be reached. So how you solve this problem? Even your internet is connected but you cannot open the site you want. Same, for example, YouTube or any other website that you cannot open. So how you are going to solve this problem? So this video is based on that topic, that this site is cannot be reached. So that is very simple and easy method that you can see in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so now you can see if my internet is connected, but if I open the browser, it cannot show any internet connection. And then even I open the YouTube, you can see this site cannot be reached. So how we can solve this problem? This one is very simple and easy thing. You can see here the temporary error and then proxy certificate invalid, then lot of things. So how we can solve that one is the simple. You just click the network sharing and then open network sharing and then click the adapter setting, and then once you click the adapter, you can see here the connected internet. So we just right click, then click the properties. Once we click the properties, you can see here the internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. So we just click that one and then click the properties. So now you can see here the obtain an IP address automatically. So what we need to do, we just select the use the following IP address or use the following DNS server address. So we click the DNS and then type here 8 then down bottom also 8 then 4 and then validate the setting, then click OK, then close these things. So it will automatically detect the problem and then troubleshoot, then fixing our internet problem. So that will take the few seconds or few minutes to resolve our problem. Now you can see here the icon is yellow, so they are fixing the problem. So now you can see here the DNS server isn't responding. So that is our issue. So we just close, then close, refresh, then open now browser and then click the YouTube. So now you can see here our YouTube is working and then error also gone. You can check here the error also gone and then our YouTube is working. So that is very simple problem. If you always see the icon, internet icon is connected, even you connected Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is connected and then you cannot open the browser and then got error. So you just click the right click network sharing and then click the change adapter setting and then select and properties network, then change the IPv4 and then put the manually the DNS setting is 888.888.4. So okay, and apply that setting. So your problem will 100% solve the network issues. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.